evening, all of you. Good evening, students. Good evening, all. Good evening, all. Can I get a thumbs up for good evening, students? All of you. Very good. All. Yes. Yes, I'm seeing more thumbs up now. Okay, very good. So this is Dr. Subhashri doing your 9th session on analytical reasoning. We have been working on the Venn diagram and how to identify the intersection, union, what is an union, what is intersection, how to identify multiple combinations of the Venn diagrams we saw yesterday. And we will continue with the same similar exercise because we could do only two problems yesterday because we had to give all the explanation. We have to see how the reasoning is done, how to identify the intersection part or the not part of any of the categories. So this took longer time. So we will continue to do the same because this is one of the major part of the analytical reasoning skills test you will be attending with the organizations, IT organizations. So one more example we will take now. This is what we are going to take now. Do you see my screen? Do you all see my screen? Is my screen visible? Is the screen visible? Yes or no? Is the screen visible? Yes. Okay, fine. So now I'm going to take this particular example. I want to copy this and put it in my Paint so that we can start working on this now. I am going to draw a similar picture so that it will be easier for us to fill the section which we want and find out whether that part is what is the solution for the problem that is asked. I'm going to draw a similar picture here. Have I drawn it correctly? I will draw A. I want B. I want C, D, E, F. So A, I am marking this A here. Marking B. B here. Marking C. C is all the intersection, I think. C, D. I'm doing it like this because it will be easier for me to map. I have drawn a little bigger. F. F is here. What did I miss? Which? alphabet which I missed. Next one is G. That is what I missed. So I am writing G here. Now everything is ready. I want to go and check what is the problem statement. The problem statement says, see, this is the college student. I want to just copy it and paste it here. I am copying this and putting it here because I want my own diagram to represent this. There are college students, there are artists, and there are singers. In this example, we have artists, college students, singers. Some college students are also singers. Some college students are also artists. Some college students are also singers, and some singers are also artists. Some of them are college students, are also singers and artists. This is what is the combination says. Agreed? Do you agree? No? You didn't agree? Screen is not visible. Karthik, screen தெரியலையா?
மேம் இப்போ ஸ்க்ரீன் விசிபிளா இல்லை மேம். உங்க ஸ்க்ரீன் இப்போ வந்துருச்சு மேம்.
Okay. Can you confirm, students, if the screen is visible? Can you confirm? No? No. Okay, I will stop sharing and start sharing again. Now you have to confirm. Now, do you see my screen now? Do you see my screen? Is my screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now let me tell you, this is the problem I have taken. This is the problem I have taken. There are college students, artists, and singers. This problem I have exactly drawn here for my reference. I have made sure the same is replicated here. As I drew yesterday, I drew the same again, because I can always fill it like this to check whether the problem and the solution. To get the solution, I want to do this because it is much easier for me to do this. Okay, now you are all able to see my screen. Yes, correct. Okay, so now I am going back here. Before that, let me read the question. First question, I want to know this. The first question is, college students who are artists but not singers are represented by. College students who are artists but not singers. College students so I want to know college students who are artists but not singers. Are artists but not singers. I want college students to be artists. I am just now filling the college students box. They are all college students. Now I want to fill the college students and artists. This is artists. This is artist. These two are also artists. So B and C are college students as well as artists. But college students who are artists but also singers. எது வரும்? College students who are artists but also singers. So, college students are artists and also singer. யார் அது? நான் வந்து வேற கலர் எடுத்துக்கிறேன். இந்த இடத்துல இருந்தா இவன் சிங்கர்லயும் இருக்கான், காலேஜ் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்லயும் இருக்கான், ஆர்டிஸ்ட்லயும் இருக்கான். இவன் வந்து காலேஜ் ஸ்டூடெண்ட் அண்ட் ஆர்டிஸ்ட். இந்த வந்து காலேஜ் ஸ்டூடெண்ட் அண்ட் சிங்கர். வாட் ஐ வாண்ட் ஹியர் இஸ் காலேஜ் ஸ்டூடெண்டா இருக்கணும், ஆர்டிஸ்டா இருக்கணும், ஆனா சிங்கரா இருக்கக்கூடாது. அப்ப சிங்கர் எது? இந்த டப்பா உள்ள வரக்கூடாது, இந்த டப்பா உள்ள வரக்கூடாது. நான் வந்து அதை ரெட் மார்க் பண்ணிடுறேன். ஸோ தட் எனக்கு இந்த டப்பா வேண்டாம். பிகாஸ் சிங்கர்ஸா இருக்கக்கூடாது, நாட் சிங்கர்ஸ். ஸோ நான் இந்த டப்பா உள்ளேயே வராத என்ட்ரிஸ் தான் எடுத்துக்கணும். அக்ரீட் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்? அக்ரீட்? அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட்? Understood the flow? Okay. Now we will continue. Okay. Now college students who are artists, college student and artist. யாரு? இங்க இருக்கிறவன் காலேஜ் ஸ்டூடெண்டாவும் இருக்கான், ஆர்டிஸ்டாவும் இருக்கான். சிங்கர் எனக்கு வேண்டாம். So college student who are artists but not singers. College student in the B are college student as well as artist, and he doesn't belong to the singer. Appo enna answer? What is the answer? What is the answer? B. Very good. Excellent. Very good. B is a college student, artist, not singer. ஸோ நான் நாட் சிங்கர்னா சிங்கர்ல இருக்கணும்னா இருக்கக்கூடாது அவன். அதனால இதை ரெட்டா மார்க் பண்ணிட்டேன், அதுல வராதவனா இருக்கணும்ன்றதுக்காக. I have completely marked them as red because I don't want that. Now I want to do the next question. I want to take the next question now. I am clearing all that I filled. Okay. Now I will go back to the question. Artists who are neither college students nor singers. Artists who are neither college students nor singers. I am now going to take artists who are neither college students nor singers. I have finished this question. I am deleting it so that we don't have any confusion. I want them to be artists, but not a college student. I want them to be artists. I am now going to fill the artists. These are all artists. What am I looking for now? I want to look for artists who are not college students and nor singers. Artists who are college students, I am going to now fill artists who are now college students. This is a college student. Now I want to fill singers, artists who are singers. Understood this? Artists who are not college students. Now I am filling, this is the complete artist. Now I want to know who are not, because I don't want college. இதில் college, who all belong to the college? I want to check because I want to remove them. I want to eliminate them. So college students are here, but they are also artists. So B and C I cannot consider. Now students nor singers. Who are singers? Artists, but these are singers. This and this are singers. I don't want singer also. What are they saying? Artists who are neither college students nor singers. This B, C, and E, who are all artists, are also singers or college students. And F alone is not a college student and not singer. It's F alone. So the answer is F. Got it? Got it? Yes, very good. Somebody has said already. Vignesh and Riaz Khan are saying F is the right answer. Very good. Excellent. So let us take the same example, but a different question. All of you understood, or you want anybody who wants me to repeat? If I see a thumbs down, I will repeat. If I see a thumbs down, I'm not seeing so many, no? So many people are attending, so many students are attending, children. So many children are here. Understanding the question with respect to the Venn diagram is very important. Very good. So all of you understood. One thumbs down. You want me to repeat? I don't know who it is. Okay. Now I'm going to the next question. Okay. Artists, the college students who are singers but not artists. College students who are singers but not artists. I want to write it here. I have finished this. I am writing the question for your reference. Artists, college students who are singers but not artists. Who are singers but not artists. College students for singers but not artists. This is the question. Now I want to clear what I did for the previous one. I want this to be clean now because I want to fill this. College students. Where are the college students? This is the college student. They're all college students now. Who are singers? College students who are also, because this is a singer, I am marking this. For singers, but not artists. So I want college student is A. If I consider college student as A and singer as B, artist as C. It's a capital letter, meaning it's a set. What am I looking for? A, union B, not, I have to write an intersection C. A union B is, I want them to be college students and singers and not artists. So I don't want, it's integration. Now I know this blue represents college students and singers. I don't want them to be artists, no? So I have to remove it now. This is artist. Sorry. This is artist. So now I have taken out the artist part of college students plus singers. Which is right now? Now tell me which is right. Very good. Vigneshwaran, Janani, Subbalakshmi, Jyoti Lakshmi, Riaz Khan, Sahaya Punitraj. All of you are right. Yes, D is the right answer. Now, college students who are artists as well as singers. College students who are artists as well as singers. Now, next question. I am the college students who are artists as well as singers. Who are artists as well as singers. College students who are artists as well as singers. Now again, I want you to tell me what is this A union B. Okay, this is A, this is B, and this is C. How will I write in terms of A union, B union, C, all that? No? How will you write it? How will you write it? I want college students who are artists as well as singers. How will I write in terms of A union, B union, C union? How will I write? How should I write? Because many times you will also get A union B, A intersection B, kind of. If you want the combination, take U. If you want the full set, if you don't want the full set, you want to eliminate somebody, then use the intersection. Yes? Yes, please. I am now clearing it because I want to do the next one. I want the college students. I want the college students because he is saying college students who are artists. I now want to mark the artists next. These are artists as well as singers. They should also be singers. So, which one is right? Very good. C is right. Excellent. The answer is C. Excellent. How will you write this? Don't you find that it's an intersection of college students, artists, and singers? C is part of college student as well as singer as well as artist. So when you want to write this, you want to write this. So it is A intersection B intersection C. Understood? Any doubt? How many of you remember A union B and A intersection B, which we did yesterday? A union B is, how did you describe it? How did we describe it? A union B. How did we describe A union B? did we describe? How did we describe yesterday? A union B. Children, how did we describe yesterday? Yesterday we did a description of this Venn diagram, right? A simple Venn diagram. You remember that? We had A and we had B. This is A. This is A. We had B. What did we do for A union B? How did we describe? Somebody remembers? One of you at least? Vijay knows? Vijay, if you know, can you say that? Vijay knows? Can you give the answer? Vijay P. Yes, can you make Vijay speak? Okay, fine. So, anybody who remembers that A union B, what did we do yesterday? Either A or B or both. This is what we said, the definition of A union B. Meaning, how do I define the A union B? I am repeating this for your sake. So, this is A and I have B. We have to define A union B, A as well as B. The middle part is A. What is the middle part? A intersection B. What is that intersection part? This is A intersection B. So A, this is A, and this is B, and also both. This part is both A and B. Either A mattum, or B mattum, or both A and B. This is the explanation for A union B. What is the explanation for A intersection B? Do you remember? Somebody is raising hand, but they don't want to speak. If Vishnu Vaitishwar wants to speak, let me know on the Q&A if you want to speak. What is A intersection B? You want to speak? Just put it on the chat box that I want to. I will give the answer. I will allow you to speak. Vishnu Vaitishwar. So what is A intersection B? What is A intersection B? This is A intersection B, correct? Now, if I have to fill only A intersection B, this is A intersection B. So the definition of A intersection B is both A and B. Definition of A intersection B is both A லையும் இருக்கணும் B லையும் இருக்கணும், both A and B. This is the definition. You should also be able to identify, write it in terms of A union B, A intersection A union B union C, A union B intersection C, A union B intersection C. So you should also be able to define such examples in terms of union intersection. That you will be able to understand if and only if you do this exercise on the rough sheet. Understood? Any doubts so far? You understood A union B and A intersection B. What is intersection? What is union? You should know what is union. How can I call the union of some what is it? Some sets. There are different sets. The different sets, I want to find out the union. I want to know, when I find union, I should look for samples in each of the sets which I am given. I am given a set of college students, a set of artists, set of singers. I have all the three combinations. These three sets I am trying to find out the intersection or union or something. So when you are given some sets, you should be able to write the answer in terms of A union, B intersection, using the union and intersection symbols also, not just coloring and finding out the right answer. You should also know how to write that. That's why I'm saying what is intersection, what is union. You also might have seen A dash, A complement. Have you heard of A complement? A sets complement? Have you heard of that? Complement of A. What is complement of A? Have you heard of that first of all? Have you heard A complement, B complement, A union B complement, A intersection B complement? What is complement? Children, தெரியாதா தெரியுமா? No or don't know? If you don't know, I will teach you. If you don't know, give a thumbs down. If you know, thumbs up. What is A complement? B complement? Yes, you're all college students, right? You should know. So, some of you don't know. A complement is not A. A complement is equal to not A. ஏல இருக்கவே கூடாது. இப்போ இந்த பர்టిక్యులர் டயக்ராம் நம்ம எடுத்துட்டோம்னா, what is A complement? This is full A. A இருக்கவே கூடாது. அப்படின்னா எனக்கு A இல்லாத ஒண்ணு வேணும். A இல்லாத ஒண்ணு எது? இந்த இடம். இந்த இடத்துல ஏவே இல்லை. இந்த பிங்க் ஷேடட்ல ஏவே இல்லை. ஸோ நாட் ஏ. ஏ டேஷ் ஏ காம்ப்ளிமெண்ட்னா ஏ இல்லாத அந்த செட்ல ஏ உடைய இது எதுவுமே இல்லை. ஓன்லி பி ஹியர். இப்ப இதுல ஏ காம்ப்ளிமெண்ட் நம்ம எடுக்கலாமா? இதுல ஏ காம்ப்ளிமெண்ட் ஐ டோன்ட் வாண்ட் ஏ. கரெக்ட். So now I want to see what is not A. What is not A? These are all not A because it should not belong to A. This G, E and F are not A. What is B complement then? What is B complement? What is B complement? Children, what is B complement? If A complement is not A, then B complement is not B. Correct? This entire, again I will take this. This is B. So what is not B? This is not B. That's all. Now I want to find out which is not B here. Is B. This portion is B. So this is not B. Maybe I will take a lighter shade. This is not B. 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 A complement is not A. B complement is not B. Oh, I want to know what is A intersection B complement. I want to know what is. I will delete all this so that it doesn't confuse you. I want to know A and B complement. Where is complement? Here. I want to know what is A intersection B. I am taking this picture alone. What is A intersection B? Now I have to color all of them uniform. So that now I have A, B and A intersection B. What is A intersection B? I am going to mark A intersection B here. A intersection B la illadadu. Appadina edu? This pink shaded one is not part of A intersection B. So only A and B. Only A and only B. How many of you understood this? These are very important because you will definitely get questions on this. How many of you understood what is A union B, A intersection B, A intersection B complement, A complement B, A dash is called as A complement, not A la illadadu. Good, all of you understood, right? Very good. So we will take Karthik cut பண்ணிக்கலாம் recording.